Today, it is the real stories of the Ford Crown Victoria Ohio State Highway Patrol Kit for Lindberg models. It's today's What's in the Box. Hey everyone, and welcome into today's What's in the Box. And we're looking at the Ford Crown Victoria Ohio State Highway Patrol Kit Lindberg models, a part of their Super Snap Ultra series of kits. This is going to be a 1/25th scale curbside kit. So this was initially released in 1997. And then shortly after this was released, they followed it up with the Orange County Fire Chief's car version kit. It had the new light bar and a new set of decals. And then about 10 years later, give or take, in 2007, a series of pre-painted kits, pre-painted versions of this kit with different highway patrol agencies. They started out with a blank version. They did the Illinois State Police, CHP, Tennessee, North Carolina, Alabama, and Georgia. And then after that, they did this weird build and display set. One of them was an asylum security version. Then they did a couple other different variations of that build and display set. And then after that, they did a dancing police cruiser variation, which was basically like a lowrider with working lights, I believe, and it danced, like hydraulics. And then they reissued the generic police car cruiser version again after that. Let's check it out. And getting started with the body. Now I get started with the chassis plate. As you can see, pretty much everything is molded to the chassis. But the detail is actually pretty good, in my opinion, of course. Pain to detail paint it, but it's there if you wish to do it. And I'll take a look at the interior tub. And now take a look at basically the interior parts. I'm kind of off of part street, kind of whatever. So first the dash. What's up to the part street there is the push bar. Have these seats. Seat backs, partition, the cage, steering wheel, radar unit with radar gun and light bar controller, and then basically the center console, the radios, computer, and the center console, or excuse me, the steering wheel column. And now we'll take a look at the light bar and mirror part tree. This will be the vector light bar base. And the mirrors. And now take a look at one of the chrome parts tree. This is going to have the front grille and headlight piece. And you have the arrow stick for the light bar, spotlights. And on this side you have the mirror faces and the 3 of the reflectors for the light bar. And then on this side you have the other three, as well as the side view mirror faces. Now take a look at the wheels. Now take a look at some of the clear transparent parts. We have the red transparent for the taillights and 4 of the pods, and then 3 clear pods, as well as spotlight lenses. Now take a look at the tire baggie, which has 2 metal axles and some screws. And the tires, they do actually say Goodyear Eagle RSA on the sidewalls. But this was before. Now take a look at the window piece. Now we'll take a look at the decal sheet. So that is going to do it for this look at the 1997 Ford Crown Victoria for the Ohio State Highway Patrol kit from Lindberg Models. I have to say, I bought and built a ton of these when these first were initially released back in the mid-90s. I bought a case of them at first, and I built more as time went on. One of my favorite kits, I think. All right, so on that note, thanks for watching, guys.